At Downer, our ambition is to build a better New Zealand. We achieve this through thought leadership, safety, delivery, and in particular, the strength of our relationships. With our whole-of-life approach, we help our clients build, maintain, and operate New Zealand's vital infrastructure. The work of our highly capable and committed team, supported by trusted subcontractors and suppliers, helps the economy grow, allowing our people and communities to thrive. Right now, our clients face unprecedented challenges. New Zealand's growth, climate change, and ageing assets are all converging. The stakes are higher, and we need to deliver stronger value by making the most of our specialist skills. Downer New Zealand is based around 3 sectors: transport, utilities, and facilities. As well as enhancing our whole-of-life focus, each sector offers the ultimate in service and solutions. Our transport sector delivers multiple disciplines across the country, helping to solve transport challenges for population growth and urbanisation, including airports, ports, road, rail, asset management, and more. Our utilities sector covers energy, telecommunications, and water supply needs, whatever it takes to keep communities sustained, connected, and thriving. And our combined facilities team, the largest in New Zealand, builds, maintains, and operates buildings and facilities nationwide, creating positive outcomes for future generations. As we move forward, we become stronger, future-proofed. Our people have clearer pathways to progress. Our investors see strong social outcomes through sustainable practices that drive sustainable returns. And we're more focused for our clients, easier to work with, and deliver better value. So we can all build a better New Zealand together.